Well, guys, I think the tracker will go through this crap. You can see where I'm stepping. It's probably a foot deep or something. Got some drift up here in the middle. I'm gonna knock the crap off the windshield here, see if she'll move. Look at all that snow on the bumper there. Over the grill. I use my arm here, drag some snow off here so we can see. I parked it out here in the field, so we'll see if she'll make it out. Yeah, this thing's a beast. I have faith in it. I know my windshield wipers won't work because I got all that wet snow on it. Let's put her in 4 low. She's not warmed up and pushing a lot of snow, so it's loading her down. She's going just fine. Not even slipping. Oh, we're slowing a little there. Oh, got her through the drift. Yeah, pretty mean little truck, I tell you what. Well, I guess we did a pretty good job there with this little thing. I say I like it. Not my favorite, but it's a nice little outfit. Yeah, there you go. She done bombed through her. Till it got all up in them wheels pretty good. Got a good almost foot of snow on the roof of there. But we made her out. I was worried, so I got out the big truck last night, because heck, you never know. That T-bird, I dug this one out. Look how much snow's on the hood of there. That's over a foot right there. My new car over here, it had snow up to the top of the hood. Yeah, there's Stephen Holt's Just Drive It sticker. Yeah, it has snow kind of drifted up against it over the whole grill. It's up past the center of the wheels. That all of a sudden hit us yesterday. Yeah, I got ball on there. My T-bird's got ball. At least one ball. Snow's hanging off the back, about covering both taillights. Well, you see the Ford logo. I bet if we start that up, it wouldn't get out. Oh man, I about fell over there trying to walk in this deep stuff. Just slab hanging over the windshield. Yeah, pretty wild out here. So I seen a Raptor video where some guy was pulling over just like a foot or two wide little berm like this in a Ford Raptor, and he got stuck and had to back up, take another run at it. And I'm like, man, you can get the right tires and learn how to drive, because my whole yard's like that. I just drive right through it like it's nothing. Yeah, I was the first one to pull out of here this morning when I went to work. Now they have it all plowed up. Yeah, yesterday morning it was completely dry out here. It was 40 degrees. Now it's like 30. And it's just been snowing like hell. Got so much weight on the power poles and stuff. It's about 5 o'clock in the evening right now. We haven't had power since 2 o'clock in the morning. And you see all the snow is piled up on limbs, and tree limbs are all falling down. There's trees all over my boss's yard. Limbs everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's limbs all piled up down there, fell off the trees. They're so packed with wet, heavy snow. And down there's where the Snake River is. It's right on the tree line there. Some of those trees are on one side of the river. The ones over here, these are on this side of the river. See how much we can zoom in on our video. There you go, there's 10x. I think it has a pretty good camera on it. It's a new, well, not so new. It's the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's see. If you watch my fishing videos, right there's where I fish. Right there's where I park my outfit. Go fishing. Don't see any deer out. Sometimes the deer are out there in the fields. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Get out there. Here's 3x and 1x. Not a bad camera. Yeah, it's beautiful out here with the snow, but man, is it a pain. That's a cell phone tower right there. I don't know if it's my network or not. I don't know if we can zoom in and see them. Yeah, there you go. There's for Jack standing the cinder blocks. Those are all the big windmills he works on. Up there, they're all down the mountains up there. Just tons of them. Can do some videos up in the mountains this summer. There's the old Kimball store. My cousin's trailer over there. Mountains sure look pretty, but those big windmills really kill the view. At night it all lights up red. I did a video on that. Looking behind me, thought I heard a car coming. Yeah, it's about 8 miles, 10 miles to hit the mountains out there. And the mountains go for miles and miles. Well, thanks for tuning in. Figured I'd show a little video on our weather to y'all. There's the snowbird and the other snowbird over here. In the winter, they're snowbirds. Well, thanks for tuning in, y'all. I'm glad we made her out of there in the little geo tracker. Hope everybody stays warm and safe. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. We'll catch y'all on the next one. There's drag marks from the bottom. Have a good one.